Hi mga kapans, welcome back for another preview. This time we'll be looking at the MGSD Meteor unit by MoU Driving Force. This will be powered by USB-C port with two color LEDs. This model kit version support the MGSD as well as the high-grade unit as shown on the photos. This is estimated to be priced at 198 yuan or $27.50 US. But of course, please check your local seller as price may vary. The estimated release date will be around the second quarter of 2025. And next on the list is Star Abyss by Iron Toys. This is a model kit again with an alloy frame, and this is their take on the Gundam Harut. The Star Abyss is slated for a release in the second quarter of 2025. As with their previous release, I'm hoping that this will be again an affordable metal build model kit. And with the Star Abyss, they will also be releasing the Star Create, which is an expansion pack of the Star Abyss, along with Star Hell, which is to be announced. And finally on the list is the Himokshan Naraka Blade Point. This is a 1:15 scale model and release date is still tentative. For now, let's enjoy the final product based on these official photos from the manufacturer. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.